Good morning, student. Welcome to Elga class. Make sure that you have student reader, workbook and notebook with you. First, we will see phonics. In phonics class, today we are going to learn spelling for the words. Student, all of you listen carefully. Repeat the word after I told. Ice. I-C-E, ice. Student, all of you repeat. I-C-E, ice. Cyclone. C-Y-C-L-O-N-E, cyclone. C-Y-C-L-O-N-E, cyclone. Fancy. F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. F-A-N-C-Y, fancy. Citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N, citizen. Circus. C-A-R-C-U-S, circus. C-A-R-C-U-S, circus. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Nice. N-I-C-E, nice. N-I-C-E, nice. Student, I will give 5 minutes. Read and practice the words with the spelling. Then I will give test. Student, all of you ready for test? Open your notebook. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Write phonics test. Ice. Ice. Cyclone. Cyclone. Fancy. Fancy. Citizen. Citizen. Circus. Circus. Celebrate. Celebrate. Nice. Nice. Students, once again checking. First one, ice, cyclone, fancy, citizen, circus, celebrate, nice. Student, now check the spelling. Good. Shall we move to the next one? we will go to whole word session. In whole words also we are going to learn spellings for the words. Up to we learn. How many words we learn? Very good. 10 words. First one, though. 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 All of you repeat it. Though. 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 Always. 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 Yearly. 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 Year. Color. 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 Became. 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 Sometimes. 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 During. 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 However. 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 Spread. 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 Around. 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 Open SR22. Read the words with the spelling. Now test. After 5 minutes, test. Student, take a notebook and write whole words test. Shall we start? Very good. First one, though. Though. Became. Became. Spread. Spread. Always. Always. Sometimes. Sometimes. Around. Around. Yearly. Yearly. During. During. Color. Color. However. However. Student, all of you finish? Once again check it. Though. Became. Spread. Always. sometimes, around, yearly, during, color, however. Now open SR22 and check your spellings. You all finish? Very good. Now reading and listening. Student, now open your SR7. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today, again read the lesson. Actions define people. After 8 minutes, I will ask you some question. Shall I ask question? Okay. Who was Swami Vivekananda? Yes, Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu social reformer. Why was the cobbler scared to offer food to Swamiji? Cobbler was scared because he belonged to a lower caste. Why did some people get angry when they saw Swamiji accepting food? Yes, they got angry because Swamiji accepted food from the cobbler who belonged to a lower caste. Student, do you all remember how to find the meaning for the new word? What are the steps? Yes, first one, read the same sentence with the word in it. Read the sentence before it and after it. Look at the other words in the same sentence. Now guess the meaning of the word. Student, now take your notebook and draw this table, and you want to find the meaning for this word, and you want to make a sentence, your own sentence. First one, desire, establish, purpose. Now start writing, then we will discuss. Desire means wanting. For example sentence, Komal had a desire to become a singer. Establish, set up or start. Harry established a school in his village. Purpose, reason for doing something. The purpose of exams is to check how much students have learned. Like this way you want to write it. Do you all write it like this? Very good. You are finished reading? After that, take your notebook and draw this table. Main idea of the passage. Then 3 columns. Detail 1, 2 and 3. If you want to refer SR book, open your SR book and write it. You have 5 minutes to write. Students, now shall we check your answers? What is the main idea? Yes, the story is about Swami Vivekananda's desire to see God and his belief that there is only one God. In detail column, we want to take and write it important points. First one, he asked many religions stalwarts about his desire to see God. Swamiji was invited to the Parliament of World Religions in America. In this lecture, Swami Vivekananda explained to the world that God is one. Students, do you clear the main idea of the story? Now we will see the grammar. In previous class, what we learned? Yes, collective nouns. What are collective nouns? Nouns used for groups of things are called collective nouns. Today we will be looking at different collective nouns for people, animals and things. Now all of you open SR 20. SR 20 collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that are used for groups of people, animals and things. Some collective nouns are, if it is a group of people, we will use this one. Group of animals and group of things. See, yes, staff of teachers, a choir of singers, a troupe of dancers, a crew of sailors, a band of robbers, a gang of thieves, a party of friends, dynasty of kings, a regiments of soldiers, a patrol of policemen, a band of crooks, an assembly of people. Students, do you clear this one? Crook means a group of people work closely together. If you have doubt, you can ask. Animals, a herd of cows, a zoo of wild animals, a pride of lions, a swarm of bees, a troop of monkeys, a flock of birds, a litter of kittens, a team of horse, a pack of wolves, a cloud of insects, a catch of fish, a cloud of flies. Then things. An album of photographs, a collection of coins, a deck of cards, a loaf of bread, a heap of stones, a bouquet of flowers, a galaxy of stars, a chain of islands, a string of pearls, a library of books, a range of mountains, a fleet of ships. I will give 10 minutes. Read up to this. Student, you are finished? Very good. Now I am going to show some CRL. Listen carefully, then answer. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns. A dash of teachers. Very good. Staff. A dash of singers. Excellent. Choir of singers. A dash of dancers. Good. Troop of dancers. Dash of sailors. Good. Crew of sailors. Dash of cows. A herd of cows. A dash of wild animals. Good. Zoo, a zoo of wild animals. A dash of lions. Very good. A pride of lions. A dash of bees. Yes. A swarm of bees. And dash of photographs. Very good. An album of photographs. A dash of coins. Very good. A collection of coins. A dash of cards. A deck of cards. A dash of bread. A loaf of bread. Now all of you open your worksheet 10, question number 1. You want to match the collective nouns to the singular noun as shown in the example. If you did, you can refer SR 20. You have 8 minutes to do this one. Now you can check your answers. Now writing and speaking. Writing a title and illustration. Title means you already know. Illustration means giving explanation. We have a paragraph. We will give it a title and add a drawing to show what we have written. Since the main idea of my paragraph is Meera, my friend, who is kind, I will write my title as My Kind Friend Meera. Now see the CRL. Read out the following paragraph. Meera is my friend and she is very kind. She shares food with me. If I am unwell, she calls to ask about my health. One day I fell down and got hurt. She helped me get up. She also cleaned my wound. being kind. This one we already written our class. Main idea, Meera, my friend, is kind. Shares food with me, calls me up if I'm sick to check how I'm doing. When I fell down, help me get up and clean my wound. We have already added details to the paragraph. That page, take it. Meera is my friend and she is very kind. She shares food with me when I forget to get my food. If I'm unwell, she calls to ask about my health. One day we were playing basketball. While we were playing, I fell down and got hurt. He ran towards me. She helped me get up. She also cleaned my wound. Later on, she walked with me to the school bus. She has always been kind to me. I'm glad to have her as my friend. For drawing, here I have drawn the picture. See, one is me and one is my friend Meera. After we draw, we will write our paragraphs on a fresh page for publishing. Then your paragraph is ready. There must be 10 to 12 sentences to complete the paragraph. Topic sentence, supporting sentence, details in your paragraph. Okay. Title, my friend Meera. Meera is my friend and she is very kind. She shares food with me when I forget to get my food. If I am unwell, she calls to ask about my health. One day we were playing basketball. While we were playing, I fell down and got hurt. She ran towards me. She helped me get up. She also cleaned my wound. Later on, she walked with me to the school bus. She has always been kind to me. I am glad to have her as my friend. Like this way, you want to write the title and the paragraph. Students, now all of you open your notebook, writing and speaking page. You have already written on paragraph. As shown in the slide, you also want to write the title and make a paragraph. You have 15 minutes to make a paragraph. I think all of you finished the paragraph. Now you want to read the sentence loudly. Now we will say today's homework. Worksheet 11, cursive writing. Then you want to read SR 20, collective nouns. Do you all clear, children? Thank you.